Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Well, it's Friday and stocks are trading sharply lower today after comments from a Federal Reserve banker suggest that a September rate hike might not be entirely off the table after all. In a speech today, Federal Reserve Bank of Boston President Eric Rosengren said that a reasonable case can be made for a rate hike, according to the Wall Street Journal. Those words shook Wall Street as traders had pretty much written off an interest rate hike increase at the Fed's September meeting. This feeling, of course, was based on the weaker than expected August job numbers reported last week. And although Rosengren did not specifically mention September, his words to some degree leaves the door open to a rate hike, which Wall Street is not positioned for according to some analysts. With that, let's take a look at the market and give you some key levels to watch next week. And right here, we're looking at the S&P 500, currently trading down almost 1.5% on the day. Current chart analysis scores a negative 70 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Current level trading at is 2,149.53. Key level to watch next week will be 2,193.42. If we were to get above that level to the top upside, we would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a entry to a long position for the S&P 500. Moving along, take a look at gold. Gold's actually on its third day down after reaching highs in the 1350 areas. Currently trading at 1,333, down almost 0.4% today. Currently on a sidelines position based on a red weekly trade triangle and a green daily trade triangle with a score of plus 65. Key level to watch next week for gold will be the 1,330 level and 87 cents specific. So 1,330.87. If we were to get below this level to the downside, we would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a entry into a short position. Again, that is for gold. Currently looking at the Dow Jones, currently trading down 1.25% today at the 18,248 level. Key level to watch for the Dow will be the 18,631 level. If we were to trade above that level, we'd issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move into the long position for the Dow. Moving along, look at the Nasdaq. Currently trading down 1.6%. Negative score of negative 70, indicating a sidelines position based on a red weekly trade triangle and a green monthly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the Nasdaq will be 5,287.61. So 5,287.61. If we're to move above that level next week, we would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the long side for the Nasdaq. Moving along, the dollar index has been quite volatile, kind of up today about almost 0.5%, currently trading at 95.39. Key level to watch for the dollar index next week will be the 96.21 level. 96.21. If you were to move above 96.21, we'd issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the long side in the dollar index. And with that, we'll wrap up with crude oil. Crude oil is actually down almost 3% today. However, it's still closing up for the week. We are in a long position based on the chart analysis score with a green weekly and a green daily trade triangle. Score is currently a negative 60. Key level to watch for crude oil will be 44.55. If we were to get below that level to the downside, we would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating an exit to a sidelines position for crude oil. With that wraps up the week. It's ending on quite a down note. We'll have to see if that continues into Monday. With that, have a great weekend, everybody, and we will talk to you on Monday.